Alright, guys. Last class we stopped over here. This is the last problem. And it was what? Did you solve the problem? Did you solve the problem? Anybody any clue? How can I solve this? Yes, no? Yes, no? Guys, you have to answer my question. Otherwise, it is a problem. Did you solve this problem?
No, sir.
Do you have any idea how to solve this problem?
স্যার এক্সামের আগে তো আমি এগুলো নিয়ে গো থ্রু করি নাই, তাই কোনো মানে মনে পড়তেছে না এখন।
Okay. So
লাস্ট
what does this problem says? What is the what is the problem? What does it say? এটা বলেন।
আমাকে মানে how many different paths are possible,
So what is
মানে
the meaning of path?
কয়টা ওয়ে আছে, মানে এই
Good.
এই যে জিরো থেকে ওইখানে
Okay, I
যাওয়ার জন্য।
understand. So 0 to 0 from this point, starting from this point, I have to go to 4 to 5, 4 to 3. This one. How many different paths are there? What is the meaning of this?
কতভাবে আমরা ওই জায়গায় যেতে পারবো? আই থিঙ্ক থ্রি। না, অনেক ভাবে যাওয়া যায়।
Forget about 3. Tell me a path by which you can go from 0 to 4, 0, comma
আহ,
0 to 4, 4, 3. Give me a path.
স্যার একটা হচ্ছে জিরো থেকে ফোর পর্যন্ত যাওয়া যায়, ফোর থেকে তারপরে ওইখানে যাওয়া যায়।
খুব সুন্দর, খুব সুন্দর। তার মানে she gave an answer. So here to here, I go like this. Then I'm going to go like this. Am I right?
ইয়েস।
This is a path. Then I can go from here to here, 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 here to here. So দুইটা path. So
আরেকটা
how many this type of path are possible?
আহ, উম,
Anybody? Anybody have any idea?
স্যার থ্রি।
Okay. Don't blindly just short. So what is the common between these two paths? From going here to here and going here. What is the common about these two paths? How many times I go right and how many times I go up in both paths?
ওকে, এটা ওয়ান টাইম যায় প্রথমটাতে, একবার।
টোটালটা তাহলে এটা কি বলা যায়? এই পাথটাকে লেখা যায়, এই পাথটাকে লেখা যায়। আপনি যেটা প্রপোজ করছেন, হোয়াট ইজ ইউর নেম?
মহসিনা।
মহসিনা। মহসিনার পাথ হচ্ছে এরকম, লেফট 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 লেফট, 4 বার লেফট, দেন আপ
তারপর
আপ
রাইট,
আপ। রাইট কোথায়?
মানে উপরে।
এখানে যাওয়ার পর আপ আপ আপ। আর বিজয়ের ইয়াটা কি? হোয়াট ইজ বিজয়ের প্রপোজাল? লেফট
রাইট, লেফট,
আপ, লেফট আপ,
আপ, লেফট।
left up, left up, left up, left. Am I right?
ইয়েস।
Good. So these are our two different paths. What is the common about these two paths?
আমরা চারবার লেফটে যাচ্ছি আর তিনবার আপে যাচ্ছি,
Wonderful.
আপনাকে।
তাহলে now tell me the answer. What would be the answer? What would be the answer?
ওয়ান ওয়ে।
One way. Two ways are already shown in the.
নো স্যার, আমি ভাবলাম যে আপনি মানে বলতেছেন যে ওইটার ওটা তো সেমই, তাহলে মানে।
How come these two are same? How
আচ্ছা
come
ঠিক
these two
আছে, টু
paths are
ওয়ে।
same?
সরি স্যার, টু ওয়ে।
Two ways. Okay, two ways are shown. But how many different paths, this kind of paths are possible?
সেটা দেখা লাগবে করে, অনেক ভাবেই তো করা যায়।
That's why mathematics is in your hand. You do not need to find out all the paths separately. Listen,
হুম,
if you make a combination of this string, left, 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 and up, 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 the number of different combinations possible, that is actually the path. Do you agree with me or not?
yes.
So how many different combinations are possible?
So is it gonna be 8, 5?
Here. So how many different combinations are possible? Arrangements are possible. How many different arrangements are possible?
স্যার এই যে পাশে যে ফর্মুলাটা আছে না, যে এন
Good.
দিয়ে,
সেটা বলতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ
So
এটা
n
দিয়ে
5.
করা যাবে।
Good. So left, how many left are there?
7 হবে,
Left হচ্ছে 4, up
4
হচ্ছে 3,
3
টোটাল হচ্ছে
7
7। তাহলে টোটাল অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট হচ্ছে গিয়ে নাম্বার অফ পাথ is equal to 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Did you agree with me or not?
ইয়া, জি স্যার।
Okay, sir. All right, so let's go to next problem. Listen carefully. Problem understanding is very important in combinatorics. Six people will sit in a circular dining table. How many different let's call it circular. Is the question clear to you guys?
জি স্যার।
6 people will sit in a circular dining table. How many different circular arrangements are possible? What is the difference between linear arrangement and circular arrangement? What is the difference?
সার্কেলের এটা আমাদের হিসাব করতে হবে, আর লিনিয়ার তো মানে লেফট রাইট এভাবে যাওয়া যায়।
Think, little bit think. Before answering the question, please think. What is the difference between linear arrangement and circular arrangement? Is there anybody know the answer?
সার্কুলার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টে লাইক লাস্ট পারসন আর ফার্স্ট পারসন পাশাপাশি বসা থাকবে, আর লিনিয়ারে they will be seated to the at ends.
So yeah, you are right. So actually there is no connection between last and first person in linear arrangement. In circular arrangement, the last person and first person would be side by side so that they join. They are actually joined. The whole arrangement is joined. You are right. So what makes it different? What makes it different? What makes it different? Let's say ABC. If it is a linear arrangement, then what happened? ABC and CAB different in linear arrangement. Do you agree with me or not? These two are different in linear arrangement.
Yes.
because this is the first person, this is the last person. They don't have any connection. This is the first, this is the last. They don't have any connection. And as they are different, the linear arrangement is also different. How about this? If I make a circular arrangement, A, B, C, and then I make C, A, B. Are they different?
No.
Why they are
No,
not
sir.
different? Why they're not different?
কারণ লাস্ট আর ফার্স্ট পয়েন্টটা সেম, তো এটা সিমেট্রিক্যাল, মানে এদিক থেকে আসলেও যা ওই সাইড শেষের থেকে ফার্স্টে আসলেই তা।
Yes. So actually, in linear arrangement, position is important. Each position is important in linear arrangement. On the other hand, circular arrangement, relative position is important. So here important thing is each position.
স্যার এটাই কি আমি আমি যদি 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল করি সেটা ডিভাইডেড বাই জাস্ট দ্য নাম্বার 6?
আস্তে আমরা একটু আস্তে আস্তে যাই। আপনি হয়তো ক্লাসের সবচেয়ে স্মার্টেস্ট গাই হতে পারেন,
আমি
But
আস্ক করতেছি স্যার।
না আজ করার এটা কিন্তু একটু মানে বেশি হয়ে গেল, because the class is for everybody. Try to understand, right? If you are getting too fast, then no other person don't understand. Let me go slowly. Different in linear arrangement. So here each position is important. On the other hand, in circular arrangement, actually, these two circular arrangements are same circular arrangement. Here, relative position is important. Relative position is important. So what is the relative position? See, just after, so if you consider A, what is on the left side of A? B. What is on the right side of A? C. Now again, if you take A over here, what is the right side of A? C. And what is the left side of A? B. So A's relative position is same. The same way B's relative position is same. Here also B's position is same. C's position is same. So that's the answer. That's the difference between the linear arrangement and circular arrangement. Now my question is, 6 people wants to make a circular arrangement around the dining table. How many different arrangements can be possible? Now, Injamam, you can give me the answer. What would be the answer and why? What do you think?
মনে হচ্ছে 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল ডিভাইডেড বাই 6 বিকজ যদি আমি 6 মানে আমার এখানে 6টা মানুষের মধ্যে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট হবে আর রিলেটিভ অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট হলো আমার এ এর পর বি বি এর পর সি এর পর ডি এভাবে করে যদি
Let's speak in English. Your answer is correct. No problem about that one. 6 factorial divided by 6 is nothing but 5 factorial. It is wonderful. Correct answer. But what is the logic? How can you justify your answer?
So because when I divide by 6, I basically eliminate the chance of rearranging in between themselves, just keeping the relative positions.
Yes, but what is the logic behind that one? You understand, but I don't understand. What is the logic?
Sir, then I guess I can't make you understand.
No. You divide by something 6, but
Yeah.
that should have a logic, right? Jay, why I'm going to divide by 6?
Yes, because I plan to lock the arrangements in between themselves while keeping the relative.
Okay, I understand. Okay. Your logic is fine, most probably, but expression is little bit different, or you cannot clearly express. Okay, that's fine. So let's try to solve this problem. Let's assume I have actually 6 people. 6 people. So just name them like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's assume in a circular arrangement, I put them in a circle. So let's assume this is my arrangement. A, B, C, D, E, F. Am I right? This is a circular arrangement. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now let's consider this one. Just put this one. Now, if I just move the person one step clockwise, then what happened? It will be like this. F, A, B, C, D, E. Then if I move another round one step clockwise, then what we get? E, F, A, B, C, D. Then if I move another step clockwise, what do we get? D, E, F, A, B, C. If I move another step, then what do I get? C, D, E, F, A, B. If I move another step, I get B, C, D, E, F, A. And finally, if I move another step, what do I get? A, B, C, D, E, F. That means I back to this one. Do you agree with me or not? Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, for each circular configuration, I get how many additional configurations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
That means if I make a, so how can I solve this problem? So let's take this one. So if we don't consider circle, number of linear arrangement কত? What is number of linear arrangement? What is number of linear arrangements? Tell me. What is number of linear arrangements?
6 factorial.
6 factorial. Because there are 6 positions. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's consider this is number of circular arrangement. Now, from the above argument, we can say, for each unique circular arrangement, we get 6 additional, total 6 additional linear arrangement. Because this one is same circular arrangement. This one is same circular arrangement. This 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 is same circular arrangement. But they are all different linear arrangement. But same circular arrangement. Different linear arrangement, but same circular arrangement. So, for one circular arrangement, I get 6 additional linear arrangement. So, circular arrangement multiplied with 6 is nothing but number of linear. Do you agree with me or not? Do you agree with me or not? Guys, tell me.
Yes.
So 6 star number of circular arrangements is equal to 6 factorial. So number of circular arrangements equal to 6 factorial by 6 equal to 5. Is there any other way I can solve this problem? Do you know any other way? This is one logical thinking by which you can solve it. Is there any other way? Guys, this is very simple. I understand. Is there any other way I can solve this one? How can you track a circle? How can you track a circle? How can you track a circle? What is the technique of tracking a circle? Yes, please tell me. Can you listen to me, guys?
जी sir.
How can you track a circle? Sorry. Many people sitting together. How can you track a circle that these two circles are different? Huh?
The last one and the first person will sit together, like beside. Normally পাঁচজন একসাথে বসলে তো ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট আর লাস্ট পয়েন্ট লিনিয়ারে তো আলাদা
Wait.
আলাদা থাকে, বাট
Wait. This one is a circular arrangement. So how can you come up with different circular arrangements? You just fixed one person. This
Yes.
person should be fixed. Then rest 5% I'm going to arrange them. Then what happened? At least as one position is fixed, because of changing the position of other persons, the relative position would be changed. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the number of circular arrangements?
5 factorial.
5 factorial. Because one is fixed, A is fixed.
Yes.
Remaining 5. So number of circular arrangements is equal to 5 factorial. All right, guys. Done. Now let's go to next problem. I'm going to change this problem a little bit. I need some volunteers. 3 girls and 3 boys. What are those? আমাদের ভলান্টিয়ার হচ্ছে কি একজন হচ্ছে দিশা, একজন হচ্ছে ইনজামাম, আর কে হবে?
আমি
মৌসিনা স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, মহসিনা। ওকে, এবার প্রশ্নটা খেয়াল করেন। 6 people among which 3 boys, Injamam, then K, what else?
দিশা স্যার।
আগে ছেলেদের নামগুলো বলে নিন। ইনজামাম, ইশতিয়াক, and else? Who else? Onik.
Yes, sir.
And 3 girls. Disha, then Mohsina,
আইমান।
আইমান।
Ayman. Ayman needs to sit in a circular table such that after each girl there is a boy. How many different circular arrangements are possible? Is the question clear to you guys?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Question clearly valid. So what is the catch? Inyamam, let's call it I1. Istia, call it I2. Onik, call it A1. Disha called it D1. D. Mohsina called M. And Ayman, let's call it A2. আচ্ছা গার্লদের আগে আমরা একটা জি শব্দ ডিজি এমজি A2G H1B I1B I2B A1B এই শব্দগুলো ব্যবহার করি। তাহলে আমার একটা সার্কুলার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট বলেন দেখি কারেক্ট সার্কুলার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট কি হতে পারে। একটা হতে পারে এরকম ডিজি I1B then MG then I2B then A2G then finally A1B. So this might be a correct circular arrangement because girl boy, girl boy, girl boy, girl boy, girl boy, girl boy, girl. So alternating. Now how many different circular arrangements of this kind possible? Maintaining this constraint.
স্যার আমরা যদি তিনটা পজিশন ফিক্স করে দেই যেমন ছেলেদের তাহলে তো বাকি 3 থাকে 3 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল এরকম কিছু
তিনটা
স্যার
না।
সার্কুলারের জন্য আমাদের মানে একটাকে রিলেটিভ ধরে ফিক্স করতেই হচ্ছে
Good.
আর বাকি দুইটা মানে ওটা রিলেটিভ ধরার পরে আমার থাকে পাঁচটার মধ্যে আমি যদি মানে গার্লসদের দুইটা পজিশন ফিক্স করি তাহলে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট হবে শুধু বয়েজদের তিনটার মধ্যে আবার গার্লসদের দুইটার মধ্যে।
Wonderful. Ekdom correct answer. Ekdom 100% this is the correct answer and correct strategy. Did you understand his strategy? So he says, sir, in the previous example, second method, you have shown whenever we fix one position and let other position change as a linearly, then we always get unique circular arrangement. The same thing we are going to done here. Here we are going to fix DG, Disha, girl. So DG is fixed. So now we are going to make the linear arrangement. The number of circular arrangement is what? Arrangement is what? It is something like this. This is fixed and this is guard, one guard. Then we have boys one blank, boys blank one, boys blank two, boys blank three. And we have girls blank two, girls blank three. How many ways I can fill up this? 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. How many ways I can fill up this? Girl 2,
2 ways.
2 ways, and
2 or
finally this 1 way. So a big task is divided to subtasks. So what would be my answer? 3 star 2 star 2 star 1 star 1. What will be the answer? 6 12. So this is the answer. So this is a one very classical problem actually. All right, guys. Do you have any query? You can ask.
স্যার আমি না জিনিসটা বুঝি নাই একটা ফিক্স করে তারপরে মানে
Speak
বয়
in English. Speak in English.
স্যার আই ডোন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট
Why?
I don't know. You just fixed one position, and
Mhm.
then, but then how we'll know that it will come like one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl? We
Because
didn't fix it.
that is the constraint. That is the constraint given. I have to arrange in such way. Are you asking about why I placing this way, or how come the
No.
answer is correct? Your question is not clear to me. What is your question?
Yes, sir, I'm trying to read the question again so I can understand it.
Okay, read the question again and tell me what do you understand. Read the question again and tell me what do you understand.
Sir, I understand it.
Now the solution is perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't understand, you can definitely ask me a question. But if you understand, that's fine. Very simple. Very simple. How can you come up with different circular arrangement? You fixed one point, one point in the circular arrangement, and rest positions you are going to make a linear arrangement. Then what happened? Because one is already fixed, if you made any change, then what happened? The relative position, at least one would be changed. So that is the reason behind fixing one position. Did you get it? On the other hand, if you don't fix any position, you just change everything, it might happen you come up with the same circular arrangement. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason. That is the reason of fixing one position. If you fix one position, then if you change any two elements, then what happened? Their relative position based on the fixed point has been changed. So definitely that is a different circular arrangement. On the other hand, if you don't have any fixed position, if you change everything, then what happens? It might happen it is arranged in such a way we come back to same circular arrangement. So that is the problem. Did you understand? So that's why in circular arrangement we always fix one position. Then let other elements change in linear way. Okay?
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is the end of permutation. Now today we'll start another topic that is called combination. How many of you play cards? Or your people are familiar with playing cards? লজ্জার কিছু নেই বলে ফেলেন. Don't be shy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And how many other people? Is there any girl who knows how to play cards? You don't know how to play cards, that is a problem. So actually playing cards is a very classical. We can give example of permutation, combination, statistics using playing card. Because playing card is actually living legend. Is a perfect example, perfect embodiment for giving example of permutation, combination, and statistics. So that's why don't take it like this. Sadi is actually promoting gambling. No, I'm not promoting gambling. But if you little bit know the cards, then it would become very easy to give you example of permutation and combination. So let's try. How many cards are there? How many cards are there? D, sir. How many cards are there?
52.
52. How many suits are there? Suits are there.
4.
What are the two suits?
4, sir.
Four suits.
Four.
What are the name of those?
Hearts, diamond,
Hearts আগে আসতো আচ্ছা Hearts, diamond, then
pound,
dice is the diamond, ace, আর লাস্টেরটা কি?
Spade, sir. Spade.
কি স্যার?
Spade.
ক্লাব এসি। এই হচ্ছে আমার ছাত্রদের অবস্থা, তারা কোনো দুষ্টামিও পারে না। So there are 4 suits. Hearts is like this. Diamond is like this. Ace is also like this, but there is a difference. There is a this shape. And club is like this. By the way, what is the meaning of this actually? What is hearts? What is hearts? আমি তো এরকম অদ্ভুত ছাত্র জীবনে শুনি নাই যারা কার্ড সম্পর্ক জানে না। People are strange. What is the color of heart?
Red.
What is the
Red.
red?
Red.
Good. So heart's color, these two are actually red. And how about the color of these two?
Black.
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 So at first, the whole card, the whole set of card is divided into two colors. One is red, another one is black. Did you understand?
Yes.
Then each red is subdivided to two suites. Each black is divided to two suites. So red suites are called hearts and diamond, and black suites are called ace and club. The total 2 suites plus 2 suites, 4 suites. Inside each suite, there are how many cards?
13.
13. Starting from 2, 3, 4,
Four.
up to 10. Then we have
A, Q, J,
Jack,
A.
Jack,
Jack.
Queen,
Queen.
King,
King.
Ace. So how many cards are there? 13.
13.
The total card is 13 cards. Star 4 suites is equal to 50. So this is the introductory description about playing cards. Do you have any query? You can ask me. No problem. We're not playing gambling here. Don't worry. Just tell me you understand the cards or not.
Yes, sir.
Good, sir. এখন আমাকে বলেন I want or we want to draw one king, one red 10, and one black 7 from 52 cards. We want to draw one king, one red 10, and one black 7 from 52 cards. How many different ways are possible? Tell me, how many different ways are possible? What are different ways are possible? Is the question clear? We want to draw one king, one red 10, and one black 7 from 52 cards. How many different ways are possible? Yes, please tell me.
Sir, 52C4.
52C4,
Sorry, 52P4. Oh, P4.
52P4. Why 52P4?
Because sir, there are 52 cards, and P is the permutation. P is the symbol for permutation, and there I have to pick.
But we are very fixed.
Sorry, one. And there are like 4 kings from there. I have to just take.
We are very fixed. We are not taking any cards. If we take any cards from 52 cards, then it would become 52. That is fine. But here we are specifically dealing with one king. So what would be the answer? So a big task is divided to sub-tasks. How many ways I can fill up this king block? How many ways? 4. How many ways I can fill up this red 10?
2,
How many ways I can fill up this black 7?
2.
What is the answer? 4 star, 2 star, 2. It is nothing but 6. Good. You
Sir.
understand?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
what if আমি আগে কিং না নিয়ে আগে ব্ল্যাক নেই পরে মানে ওদের মধ্যে আবার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট হওয়ার চান্স আছে না একটা?
এই যে আমরা তো নো প্রবলেম, আমরা তো করেছি। রুল অফ প্রোডাক্ট it does not matter. Rule of product take care of the arrangement.
Okay.
Rule of product take care of the arrangement. So no problem about that. এখন is a good question. It's a very good question.
স্যার
Yes.
মানে এটা ইনটু 3 হবে না কেন? মানে ইনটু 3 কারণ এখানে তো আমি আগে কিং নিচ্ছি, পরে রেড নিচ্ছি, পরে ব্ল্যাক নিচ্ছি, রাইট? কিন্তু আমি যদি আগে রেড নেই, পরে কিং নেই, পরে ব্ল্যাক নেই,
Wait,
তাহলে-
আমি এই প্রশ্নটাই আসছি। How many different ways are possible? এখানে different way বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে আমি এটা বোঝাচ্ছি। Wait. এটার মানে হচ্ছে মানে এটাকে আমরা different way বলতে we are actually expressing hand. It's called hand. So it means that if it is one king like this, red 10 and black 7, and if you take this red 10, one king, black 7, they are actually same in this here. Am I right? They are actually same here. Am I right?
আচ্ছা, সো ওদের মধ্যে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট আর কি আপনি এখানে
Yes. Now, how many different ways? It means hand. Yeah, what is in my hand? But this is a good question. Very good question. If position is concerned, if position is concerned in hands, number of different arrangements is equal to what? 3 factorial star 12, which is nothing but 6 into 12, nothing but 72. Did you get the point, guys? In my hand, if the position is important, then total number of arrangement possible is 72. So this is the concept of actually combination. This is the concept of permutation, because arrangement position is important, and the previous example is nothing but example of combination. Did you get it? Now let's give you another simpler example. After the carded example, if people don't get it, you don't buy it. How about this? Let's take three volunteer again. What are my 3 volunteers? Injamam, Disha, then Istiyar, then what is the person? What is the Mohsina? And what is the last person? Ayman.
Yes, sir.
So let's call him I1, D, I2, M, A. So from these persons, if I take 3 persons, if from this 5%, if I take 3%, how many arrangements are possible? Number of arrangements. How many arrangements are possible? How many arrangements are possible?
Sir, in general,
In general, how many arrangements are possible?
5 factorial.
sir, what is the question?
There are 5%. If I take 3%, how many arrangements are possible?
3 factorial.
No, 5.
Taking 3%. Taking 3% out of 5%.
5p3, sir.
So, what is the logic?
So there are 5 people, and from them I have to pick out 3 people. That's why.
So, a big task is divided to subtasks. First one can be fill up 3 ways, second one 4 ways, third one 3 ways. 5 star, 4 star, 3, which is nothing but 5 factorial by 2 factorial, which is nothing but P52. Good. Now, let's take this. I1, D, and M. This is the arrangement. Then I1, M, D. This is also an arrangement. Then D, I1, M. This is also an arrangement. DM, I1. This is also an arrangement. M, D, I1. This is an arrangement. MI1, D. This is also an arrangement. So this 3, this 6, all these 6 are different arrangements. Do you agree with me or not? Are they different team? Did you get the question? Are they different team? What is the difference between team and arrangement? Are they different team? Question. Are they different team? What do you mean by team?
No, they are not different team.
They are not different team because in the team, position is not important. Who are inside, that is the most important thing. So, no, they are not different team. No. And that time, this team, this is called actually combination. This is called combination. This is called a combination. So what would be the answer for this? We know that taking 3% out of 5%, number of arrangement is P52, 5 factorial by 2 factorial, which is nothing but P52, combination of 5 by 2. But now, if the position is not important, so how many different arrangements we can make?
5.
বুঝে বুঝে বলেন। We know that. We know that number of arrangement is nothing but like this. Number of arrangements is nothing but P 5 by 2. We will know this also. Now, we are trying to find out number of combination or team. What would be the answer? Same, I have already given you the answer. If we consider this one as the team, I1, DM, how many different arrangements are possible? If we consider this one as a team, I1 DM, how many different arrangements are possible?
3 factorial.
3 factorial, total 6. Because this position can be filled up 3 ways, this one 2 ways, this one 1 way. The total 3 factorial equal to 6 different arrangements are possible. So how can we relate this to number of combination and number of arrangements?
Number of
For each combination, we get 3 factorial additional arrangements. So 3 factorial star number of combination team is nothing but number of arrangements. So it means number of combination or team is nothing but P52 divided by 3 factorial, which is nothing but 5 factorial, 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So that is the answer. Did you get it? Did you buy it? আমি কিন্তু আগেই বললাম, please clear your concept. Otherwise, you will get a dabba in final. Okay, so please clear your concept. Otherwise, it's a big problem. So let's talk about the rule of combination. Out of an distinct object, if we take R objects at a time where is equal to C and R. We also represent it like this. NR, we also represent it like this. LCR, it is nothing but N factorial, R factorial, N minus R. Okay, guys, this is the answer. Should I do a problem? Should I solve the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Disha wants to answer 5 questions out of 10 questions in final. How many different way she can answer where position is not important? So what would be the answer? Huh? Disha wants to answer 5 questions out of 10 questions in final. How many different ways she can answer where position of answering is not important? Tell me. That means out of 10 questions, we are picking only 5 questions. What position is the paper? So we are making a team out of 10 questions, of 5. So how many different way you can do that one?
Yes, 5.
C 10 5, which is nothing but 10 factorial, 5 factorial by 5 factorial. Good. এবার দেখেন কোশ্চেন কিভাবে কঠিন করা হয়। The final question is divided to two sets, A and B, and each contain 5 questions. At least না আচ্ছা এটাই করি at least 3 needs to be answered from set A. How many different way Disha can answer the final where position is the paper.
So total কয়টা কোশ্চেন অ্যানসার করবে? 5টা।
হ্যাঁ সেম কোশ্চেন where position is the paper. Same, it is a continuation of this. So what would be the answer?
স্যার এ থেকে প্রথম মানে 5টার মধ্যে 3টা চুজ করবে, তখন বি থেকে 5টার মধ্যে 2টা, এ থেকে যখন 5টার মধ্যে 4টা, তখন বি থেকে 5টা।
খুব সুন্দর, কেস বাই কেস, খুবই সুন্দর, কেস বাই কেস প্রবলেম. So what is the first case? The first case is like this. Good, very good. Case is like this. So case 1. Case 1 is like this. Case 1 is
A3 B2
A3 B5. Fantastic.
B2
B2. Good. Case 2 হচ্ছে
A4
A4 B1. And case 3 হচ্ছে all the questions he answered from 5.
A5 B0.
Okay. So what is the answer for this? A also contain 5 questions. B also contain 5 questions. What is the answer?
5C3 into 5C2.
Good. So a big task is divided to subtasks. Always think this way. The big task is divided to subtasks. This one can be filled up how many ways? It is a question of combination because the position of answering is not important. So this is nothing but C53 multiply with C52. And how about this? This one is nothing but C54 multiply with C51. How about this? This is nothing but C55. Did you get it? So total, this is actually using rule of product. Finally, we are going to use rule of summation. So number of ways is equal to C53 star C52 plus C54 star C51 plus C54. Do you understand the solution of this? Tell me please. Don't get shy.
Sir, can I say another
A very
answer?
standard problem. Huh?
Sir, can I say another answer?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Sir, 5p3 plus 7 factorial.
5p3 by 7 factorial.
No,
How come this-
plus 7 factorial.
5p3 plus 7 factorial. What is the
Yes,
logic
sir.
behind? What is the
Well-
logic behind that?
Well, sir, A contains 5, so that's why I am going to pick I'm going to first pick 3 questions out of 5, 5 of them, and then I have 7 questions left.
Okay.
So I have 7 questions left. That's why I can pick any 7 from them. That's why 7 factorial.
Is there anybody who understands this logic?
Sir, I think I got a little of what he wants to say.
Sir, first I have to pick out 3 questions. First I have to pick out 3 questions from A.
Okay,
So
okay,
3 is
okay,
for-
okay. So, okay, that's the alternative. It's a good strategy, I believe. So, at first, I'm going to pick 3 questions out of 5 questions. Fantastic. So, it is nothing but, so not P. Don't say P. Say C.
কি হবে?
But
C.
sir, for selection I have to use P, right?
না সিলেকশনের জন্য
Selection means it is combination. Selection means combination.
But sir, combination means I can arrange, like combination means like I'm gonna like change, like I can change
No,
between a
that is
group,
permutation. That is permutation.
right?
That is
Sorry,
permutation.
sorry.
Position is not important. I did not even use the word selection. Selection means combination. Even I have specifically says position is not important. So, but your strategy is wonderful. C53, we are done with 3 questions. Multiply with C. Rest, we have actually how many questions? 7. 7, 2. So this is the answer. It is wonderful.
নাইস
It is a nice strategy, but not P, C. It is a wonderful strategy, fantastic strategy. I agree. But it should be combination, not permutation. Did you understand his strategy? So let's say method 2. So we have to choose 3 from set A. So how many ways I can choose this? C53. We have 10 minus 3, 7 remains. Out of it, we can choose 2 C7 2s. So number of selection is nothing but a big task is divided to subtask. This is subtask 1. This is subtask 2. So C53, C7. All right, wonderful. Thank you very much. It's a wonderful strategy. Thank you. Should we stop here today? So let's stop here today. Let's take your attendance first. Next class, we'll continue from here.
স্যার আমাদের মিড টার্ম গ্রেডস কোন দেওয়া হবে?